Alright guys, here we are again. We started stripping this motor to get it ready to convert it to the Volvo. Water pump's gone. We're going to put a new one on there anyway. We believe we can use this pulley system here with our Volvo. If not, we'll put the one that came off it, but I think we can use this because it's got the mounting holes here, here, here for that raw water pump. Manifold, I don't believe. Well, the other one has a high rise on it. This one doesn't. We'll probably put the other manifold on. Especially with this, I'm not sure how that's going to work with the Penta yet. This was an old Points engine, which was kind of crazy. It's a Chevy 354 bolt main, but it's a older one. Had a Points distributor in it, which we're not going to use. If anybody was wondering, here's your casting number. 3970010. That should give you your year and stuff like that. We have to pull those studs off the crank. That was for this engine coupler here that we are not using, because the Volvo it didn't have a system like that. It actually had a flex plate. There's the bell housing. We're not using that either because that's Mercruiser style, and Volvo does not have this. Old oil pump we're not using. Starter, I haven't made up my mind on starter yet. I may put a new starter on. This is all the other stuff that came off, the old risers and everything. We found one was cracked. That's no good. I'll see if I can find that real quick. You can see it. Oh, it would be the one that's buried under stuff. Right here. There's a crack. And no good. Old water pump. This is definitely not the same.
I know.
And we went ahead and pulled the oil pan and everything. We're going to go ahead and check all our bearings. New oil pump and everything. And there's the old distributor. Fancy. Seen one of those in a while. So yeah, that's where we're at. We've got to pull all this off. None of this gets used on the Volvo at all. Alright, we'll come back after a while, show you where we're at.